So now I want to cover some topic called byte orders. So there are two byte orders, little and big Indian. So what we do is in little Indian. So suppose this is the value of a variable 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see 0x means it's hexadecimal representation, and 1, 2 is 1 byte, 3, 4 is 1 byte, 5, 6 is 1 byte, and 7, 8 is 1 byte, because each number constitutes of 4 bits and two numbers constitutes of 8 bits. 8 bits means 1 byte. Sorry. So in little Indian, the least significant bit, that means if we go from left to right, this is the most significant byte. This is less significant byte. So the least significant byte of word is stored in the lowest address. That means if we go from starting lower address to higher address, take an example of left to right. So there is 00 address, 01 address, 02 address, 03 address. If you take like that, the least significant byte is stored in the first, and the next least significant byte 5, 6 is stored in the next. That means this is the 00 address, 01 address, 02 address, 03 address. Okay, this may seem a bit confusing, but just in the next slide I will remove your confusion. So Intel is little Indian. It means that if your computer has a Intel processor, the memory in the RAM will be in little Indian. So if you see any value like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, if you see any value like this, it means that it's in reverse byte order. You need to reverse each and every byte and you get this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This value means this. In big Indian, the most significant byte is stored in the first. It means like exactly same, because we read from lower memory address to higher memory address. So big Indian does not change its value in RAM, but for another architectures. If we can see ARM processor and MIPS processor, million instructions per second, these follow big Indian. That means if you see the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it's exactly value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But in the Intel case, if you see value like this, it means that you need to reverse the bytes, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here I have drawn some diagram just for more clarification. See, you can see memory address 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and increasing from lower memory address to higher memory address. We see how big Indian is. So I want the value is FE, ED, FSE. I want to store this in RAM in a big Indian order. What I do is most significant byte will goes to least significant start lower memory address, and next most significant byte will go to next lower address. So 1, ED goes to 1, and similarly FA goes to 2, and CE goes to 3, and so on. And while you are reading from lower memory address to higher memory address, you read FE, ED, FSE, which is the same value as this register. Okay, but let's take a look at little Indian. This is very important because we use the Intel architecture mostly, and my laptop is also little Indian. So the same value FE, ED, FSE. If I want to store this in little Indian, the least significant byte, which is the last from the right, goes to lower address. CE goes to CE 0, and FA goes to 1, and ED goes to 2, FE goes to 3. So you can see when you are reading from lower memory address to higher memory address, from 0 to 3 you read like CE, FA, ED, FE, which is in reverse order. So you need to reverse the bytes to get the exact value or actual value of the register. So you need to reverse this FEED So this, I think this is clear for you. Even if you get confused in the later videos, you will definitely get some clear understanding about this.